The Hoover ONE PWR Blade is a cordless powerhouse that delivers the freedom and versatility you need to clean anywhere, anytime. Powered by our exclusive ONE PWR Lithium-Ion battery. You can now clean longer, charge up faster, and maintain full power for a continuous clean from start to finish. Equipped with the exclusive dual cyclonic dust vault system, Blade captures 99% of dust and fine particles with no loss of suction. Plus, the Hoover ONE PWR Blade is designed with a completely removable dirt cup that makes cleanup even easier. With the push of a button, customizing your clean is a breeze with Eco Mode and the multi-surface brush roll that's engineered for optimal cleaning performance on any floor type. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dual Cyclonic Dust Vault Technology. Dual Cyclonic Dust Vault technology captures 99% of dust and fine particles with no loss of suction for continuous cleaning. Number 2. Powerful Lithium-Ion Technology. Get the same performance as a corded cleaner without the hassle of a cord. A full charge delivers up to 35 minutes of runtime, or extends your runtime with additional batteries. Number 3. Pet hair. No problem. Powerful suction to pull up pet hair and deep down dirt. Number 4. 2-speed power control. Use carpet mode for deeper cleaning. Maximize runtime with Eco Mode. Number 5. Versatile cleaning. The Blade Plus vacuum gives a complete clean from hard floors and carpets to upholstery, stairs, car cleaning, and more. Number 6. Powerful multi-surface cleaning. The Twin Helix brush roll is engineered for optimal cleaning performance on carpet and hard floors. Number 7. Removable, easy empty dirt cup. Designed with a completely removable dirt cup that makes cleanup even easier. Number 8. Dust Tracker LED headlights. Makes it easy to see the dirt ahead of you. Number 9. Dual Cyclonic Dust Vault Technology. Captures 99% of dust and fine particles with no loss of suction for continuous cleaning. Number 10. Cordless. Delivers cord-free convenience powered by the removable and rechargeable ONE PWR battery. Number 11. Completely removable dirt cup. Simply detach to quickly and easily empty dirt and dust. Number 12. Multi-surface brush roll. Engineered for optimal cleaning performance on carpet and hard floors. Number 13. Versatile cleaning. Provides a complete clean from hard floors and carpets to upholstery, stairs, car cleaning, and more. Number 14. What's included? ONE PWR 3.0 battery, charger, dusting brush, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and wall mount. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How many volts is the battery? Answer. The ONE PWR Lithium-Ion battery is 20 volts and has up to 35 minutes of runtime. Question number 2. Is there an option to use with the cord? The battery life is terrible. Answer. There is not an option to use with a cord on the ONE PWR Blade Plus cordless stick vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.